Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome back to Kingdom Escapes, your go-to for all things Disney. I know I'm in a different spot of my house, and it is the second week of February, and my Christmas tree is still up. You can see this guy is still here, Sven, and I'm gonna be taking down my Christmas tree and all the decorations I have everywhere. And of course, every single one of these are Disney ornaments, and I will be talking about when I got them, where I got them, and maybe a story or two about them. So let's dive into this special segment, taking down the Christmas tree. Okay, the first thing you have to know about putting your ornaments away is that if they are made of ceramic or any type of glass, like the ones I have, if you just put them in a bag or just in a box altogether, they will crack. They'll break. And that's why I found this very practical, which is a ornament cube. As you can tell, you can store, let's say, 64 sections, pieces. You can put in everything in there. I know I got this at the dollar store the day after Christmas. It was like $5 instead of 10. I highly recommend something like this so you can put your ornaments away. Another way that you can store your ornaments or decorations for Christmas is saving the boxes. That's why I have this one in here to store this precious decoration I found at a antique store. It lights up, it has music, it has Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto, and Goofy, the classics, the OGs. So I really love this one, and I kept the box to store it. Another type of ornaments that I've bought are these amazing ones, part of a collection. And you can tell they're part of a collection because they have this little token on the top. This one says celebrating 55 years, and this is from the Jungle Book. I don't know if you can see it or not. I hope this is working. This one is Ratatouille, and it says the same as 15. And this is the anniversary for the movies. Sometimes they create special ornaments for it. This is Pete's Dragon, 80 years. I don't know when I bought this, probably 2 years ago. And then Cars, amazing, 15 years of Cars. So this is another type of ornaments that I have purchased. They are made of ceramic, so you need to really be careful with how you store them. So something like this, I would either keep the box where they come in, and you saw the little box, and you saw the big box that I have to store my Christmas decorations. Maybe you can leave the boxes in there. They won't make a mess in your house or a closet. Just make sure to have like a big box so you can put your smaller boxes, and that can save you from breaking these and having to buy new ones, because why would you when you can keep adding just like little by little. A way that I like to store these is also by wrapping them with tissue paper, and then put it in the ornament cube that I showed you earlier. Okay, some of my favorite ones have to be these little crystal balls, or like ornaments that are inside of a crystal. We have here Wally and Eve. I love this one. I have Mickey and Minnie. I have two of them. These are awesome. This one has a year on the back, but you can buy something like this that has nothing, so you can keep using it. I don't care about the year. We have this one I love from 101 Dalmatians. I hope you can see this and it's not blurry. Bambi, of course, and Incredibles. And this one is super cool because this crystal, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, it's not clear. It's kind of like purplish. And the reason is because, do you remember in the movie Violet? She does a bubble protection, or that shield that she does, and that's what he means. and then dashes running around. Right, another type of decoration that I buy other than ornaments are snow globes. I have found some of these at the Disney store or the parks. I love these. This is just clear. This is 2024. And it's super cool. It's Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto at the bottom. So I love something like this. I also found Jack. This is a snow globe. I think I found this at Walmart. And since it was in the clearance section, I think I got it for like $1.50. When this one, my friends, online is 80 bucks or something like that. And then I had gotten Grogu some years ago. So I love having snow globes for Christmas just around the house. All right, another type of ornaments that I found it. This is the Sleeping Beauty Castle from Disneyland. I also found it at a antique mall in Florida when I went to Disney World. And this one lights up. I don't know if you can tell, but it changes color, it lights up. It doesn't have music or anything, but it lights up. So it's cool. And this one is from the movie Soul. You can play music on it. I don't know if you can hear it. So cool, so cool. If you're into the super classic ornament style, you can find these. This is like a Mickey, or if you want to call it a hidden Mickey. I found this set of 4. I broke one. And these are pretty cool as well to have in your tree if it is a Disney themed Christmas tree. All right, another collection of ornaments that I have are special events and Disney special clubs that they have. So they used to have this club called Disney Movie Club. It's not existent anymore, but they sent me this one from Finding Nemo, and it just says Happy Holidays, and it's just super cool. Kind of looks like a keychain, but it is an ornament. And this other one, I got it at the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, and it's just a soldier, and it says 2023. That's when I went. So when you walk in, they give you an ornament, they give you cookies, they give you hot chocolate, eggnog. I highly recommend booking one of those Christmas parties because you get so much done in that evening that you sometimes do the whole day. So if you have any questions about any of these special events at Disney, let me know and I can help you with that. All right, and last but not least, just get creative, get crafty. This one I made it. I bought this Santa hat at the dollar store, and then I found these Mickey ears online. I think it was like a package of like 5 or something like that. And I just somehow put the ears inside the hat, and I made the top of my tree with this. And it was just a moment of saying, okay, I have stuff that I bought at the stores, at the parks, at events, but also things that I did with my own hands. All right, my friends, it doesn't matter how you celebrate Christmas and how many decorations you have. The most important part is that you are surrounded with love and that you are able to share love with others. Christmas decorations are coming down at my house finally, but I never lose sight of that feeling and that atmosphere of peace, joy, and love that we all experience during Christmas. Maybe some of us have memories that are not very pleasant about holidays, but I invite you to dig deep inside of you and find that happy place, find that peace, and find that joy that you deserve to live in. Until next time, this was just a special video that I wanted to share with you about what's happening in my world. I will be seeing you next time, and remember, I'm Pepe and you're watching Kingdom Escapes channel. Goodbye.